its fifth generation, RAV4 has enjoyed a reputation as the best-selling SUV in America 4 years in a row. And whether the day calls for navigating the city streets or the back roads of the great outdoors, RAV4's versatility is always ready for the challenge. Plus, this year welcomes the all-new RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid to the fold, with the second quickest acceleration time in the entire Toyota lineup. Thanks to its massive success, it's no surprise that RAV4 has attracted plenty of competition, like the Jeep Cherokee. Let's see how these two measure up. RAV4, RAV4 Hybrid, and RAV4 Prime offer excellent performance that never compromises on efficiency. With 6 gas trims, 5 hybrid trims, and 2 plug-in hybrid trims, there's a RAV4 for every lifestyle and preference. RAV4 comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which provides drivers and passengers with peace of mind while traveling in the city or on the highway. When it comes to performance, RAV4 excels with an impressive 203 horsepower engine and an EPA estimated 30 miles per gallon combined rating on gas models, while RAV4 Prime is the fastest RAV4 yet with 302 net horsepower. RAV4 also boasts towing capacities of 1,500 pounds on gas models, 1,750 pounds on hybrid grades, 2,500 pounds on RAV4 Prime, and 3,500 pounds on adventure and TRD off-road grades. And its available dynamic torque vectoring all-wheel drive with rear driveline disconnect helps keep the driver in control, while the available multi-terrain select makes RAV4 ready for all seasons. RAV4 Hybrid also boasts powerful performance with its 219 net horsepower powertrain and standard electronic on-demand all-wheel drive. It can also go the distance with its EPA estimated 40 miles per gallon combined rating. Cherokee's standard engine makes 180 horsepower and has an EPA estimated 26 miles per gallon combined rating. More power is available though, with a 271 horsepower V6 engine that's rated at an EPA estimated 20 miles per gallon combined rating. However, Cherokee is not available as a hybrid or plug-in hybrid model. And Cherokee also charges more for its available 4x4 system and select terrain traction management system. RAV4 also comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which includes full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, automatic high beams, road sign assist, and more. Cherokee has some standard active features, but adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go and auto high beam headlamps are only available on Trailhawk as part of an extra cost package. However, it does have standard blind spot monitoring and rear cross path detection, while RAV4's comparable feature is standard on all grades except LE. With all of its intuitive tech and connectivity features, RAV4 is packed with intelligent details, including standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from your iPhone. In addition, Android Auto makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices, while Amazon Alexa connectivity keeps Amazon's digital assistant just a question away. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM all-access trial subscription to more than 300 radio channels accessible throughout the country. And RAV4 Prime also features an available 9-inch touchscreen, which is the largest ever for RAV4. Plus, select RAV4 grades come equipped with a digital rearview mirror to help see behind the vehicle. Like RAV4, Cherokee also comes standard with a 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, but lacks support for Amazon Alexa. Likewise, a 6-month SiriusXM all-access trial subscription is available on select grades. Its largest available touchscreen is only 8.4 inches, and a digital rearview mirror is not available on any grade. RAV4 opens to a spacious interior with 98.9 cubic feet of passenger volume, including plenty of in-dash storage. And with its 69.8 cubic feet of cargo volume behind the first row and up to 37.6 cubic feet behind the second row, RAV4 always has space for more. Cherokee does have more room for all the fun with 128 cubic feet of passenger volume, but its cargo volume falls short at 54.7 cubic feet behind the first row and 25.8 cubic feet behind the second row. RAV4 offers great visibility with its standard LED headlights and taillights, and RAV4 Limited Hybrid and Prime XSC can be equipped with an adaptive front headlight system that adjusts automatically to light the road ahead. Plus, RAV4's available two-tone paint scheme and available 19-inch alloy wheels help provide a more stylish look. Cherokee also comes standard with LED headlights and taillights, but it does not offer adaptive front headlights on any grade. And it doesn't have many customization options, with only one special edition and available 19-inch alloy wheels. The RAV4 lineup now features 13 grades, including 5 hybrid trims like the new XLE Premium Hybrid, as well as 2 new plug-in hybrid grades. Plus, this RAV4 lineup has 3 available all-wheel drive configurations for a more customized driving experience. Cherokee comes with 8 trims, offering 3 engines, but none of these powertrains offer a hybrid or plug-in hybrid design. That said, a 4x4 system is available, but for an extra cost. With its dynamic versatility and lasting dependability, RAV4 remains one of Toyota's most iconic and popular vehicles among all lifestyles. Plus, the all-new RAV4 Prime transforms the plug-in hybrid SUV segment with its remarkable acceleration and EPA-estimated 42 miles of EV-only range. From errands in the city to adventures in the wild, RAV4's reputation is further backed by Toyota's commitment to quality, durability, and reliability.